blow through to where you can see everything in the back end and still be able to kind of see all the pressure coming into here. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. What's your name, man?
Sergio.
Sergio, okay. Awesome. Go ahead.
Okay. My name is Sergio Nunes, and I come to represent Osbet Audio.
All right.
Delaware.
Yes, sir.
But I come from PA, from Pennsylvania.
Okay.
We're missing PA.
So what all's in here?
Yes, we got 415s, the Sundown Audio. We got the 15K for the bass. We got 5,000 for the mids, for the 610s.
Yes, sir.
We got 8 tweeters. We got like 1,800 for the 8 tweeters, 4 in each door. We got the panels.
There we go.
We got the drivers, 2 drivers. We got the little right there. It's 400 by 4.
Where's the battery bank for all the power?
It's on the back.
All in the back.
We got one on the front. We got a bigger alternator.
Okay.
Like 370 amps.
Yes, sir.
The alternator.
All right.
And we got 3 on the back, 3 batteries, and we got another one on the front.
Nice.
That's pretty much.
Do you know the tuning on your port?
Yes, it's 32 hertz.
Okay.
Yes, 32 hertz on that.
Nice. How thick is the plexiglass?
It is 3/4 on inch.
3/4.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm really impressed to see that you're able to build the blow through to where you can see everything in the back end and still be able to kind of see all the pressure coming into here, and it's well sealed off. You did a nice job. I like it.
It sounds pretty good. Pretty clean too, man.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Is there a way I can see underneath the hood?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, awesome.
We all be in. Catch them first, get a raw percentage. If you want, I put a coffin in.
Yes, nice. Very clean.
Yes. Everybody was telling me today, like, it's a clean job.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.